think personal balance sheets are just for finance nerds or accountants. Think again. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a personal balance sheet in Excel, step by step. And trust me, it's way easier than you think. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of your money, your debts, and your net worth. Let's get into it. Hello everyone, welcome back to Global Finance Snapchat, your source for concise and timely financial news from around the world. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel if you find value. Get us to 100 subscribers. Now back to the video. You may be wondering why you need a personal balance sheet. Well, here's a simple answer. A personal balance sheet shows what you own, what you owe, and what you're really worth, all in one place. It's like a financial selfie, but way more useful. You'll use it to set goals, make smart money decisions, and track your progress over time. Now that we know why we need a personal balance sheet, let's get into it. First up, open Excel and create a new sheet. Name it Personal Balance Sheet and save it in your financial folder. Begin setting up your personal balance sheet structure. The table on screen is a simple and effective approach. Easy, right? Begin by listing your assets. Assets are anything you own that has value. List each one in the description column and add its current market value in column B. Use realistic market values. Check appraisals or online prices if you're unsure. Now let's list your liabilities. Liabilities are the stuff you owe. When listing your liabilities, be honest. Ignoring debts won't make them disappear. Include even the small debts. They add up. It is now time to calculate your net worth. Let's do the math. Total up all your assets, then all your liabilities. Subtract liabilities from assets, and boom, that's your net worth. Remember, the net worth meter goes up or down based on inputs, so you need to keep it updated. Set a reminder to update this every month or quarter. Adjust your values, update paid debts, and recalculate your net worth. Changes include update market values, remove paid-off debts, recalculate net worth. And here is a great tip. Use conditional formatting to highlight changes. Getting value from this video? Then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Get us to 100 subscribers. Now, one important thing to note when preparing your personal balance sheet to avoid some of the common mistakes people always make. Some of these common mistakes include overestimating asset values, inflating the value of your car, home, or collectibles based on purchase price or personal bias, ignoring small debts. Every dollar counts. Include all liabilities, no matter how minor they seem. And forgetting to update. Set a reminder to update monthly or quarterly. Your finances evolve. Your balance sheet should too. Avoid these slip-ups to keep your balance sheet accurate and useful. Once your balance sheet is accurate and complete, it's time to set your action plan to achieve your financial goals. Your balance sheet is more than numbers. It's your personal finance roadmap. Use it to create goals like paying off debt, saving for a home, or boosting your investments. Well, there you have it. Your very own personal balance sheet built in Excel. Now you've got the clarity to take control of your finances. Subscribe for more personal finance tips.